evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Rinaldi, and I am accompanied by my colleague
Syafiq Amar Muhaib.
and together we are thrilled to present our collaborative research focused on evaluation and redesign of learning management system website of Bursa Ulda University by applying a golden rule principle and user-centered design. Okay, we'll move on into agenda overview. The first section is introduction, and the second section is related work. The third is method. The fourth is result and findings, and the fifth is conclusion. So we'll move on into introduction, and there are 3 points on this section. The first one is the importance of LMS. So the LMS is a crucial tool in digital education as it supports online learning, learning management, and interaction between students and lecturers. The use of LMS allows efficient management of learning materials, assessments, and communication. The second point is the problem with BUU LMS. The LMS at Bursa Uluda University faces issues such as lack of supporting features, inadequate feedback, and interface inconsistency. These issues lead to a pure user experience and reduce user satisfaction. The third point is study objective. So the study aims to evaluate and redesign the LMS by applying the 8 golden rules and user-centered design or UCD principle. The goal is to enhance the learning experience and usability of the LMS at Bursa Uluda University. So we'll move on into related works. There are 3 points on this section. The first one is 8 golden rules of interface design. So the 8 golden rules was developed by Ben Snyderman, and these principles emphasize the importance of consistency, informative feedback, and flexibility in user interface design. These principles aim to create interfaces that are more intuitive and responsive to user needs. The second point is user-centered design or UCD. So UCD is a design approach that focuses on placing the user at the center of the design process. It involves users at every stage of design to ensure the final product meets their needs and expectations. The third point is the implementation in tech companies. So the companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft have successfully applied this principle to create effective and user-friendly interface designs. The previous studies show that this approach enhances user satisfaction and product efficiency. So we'll move on into methodology. There are 3 points on this section. The first one, two points on this section. The first one is user research. So the study involved interview with 5 students from Bursa University to understand their experiences, needs, and challenges with the current LMS. This qualitative approach helps identify specific issues faced by the user. The second point is usability testing and system usability scale or SUS. The usability testing is a standard tool for measuring system usability and was used to collect qualitative and quantitative data on LMS usability. So this testing provides deep insights into how users interact with the system and where the main problems occur. Meanwhile, SAS is used to obtain qualitative and determine the usability score of the LMS website. We will develop a questionnaire consisting of 10 statements that user needs to rate using a 5 point from Likert scale. After users complete the questionnaire, the SAS score can be calculated by summing up of each statement.
Now we are moving to result and findings section. In this study, we evaluate and redesign the learning management system or LMS of Bursa Uluda University. We conducted user research through interviews to gather qualitative and quantitative data. The participants in this study were 5 students from Bursa Ulda University, and we asked them several questions about their experience using the LMS website, which include their opinions and experience with the LMS, their thought on the user interface, UI design, and their overall satisfaction. Satisfaction was measured using a Likert scale of 1 to 4, and most user rate the current interface and features of the LMS is a 2, indicating dissatisfaction. The main issues users face were related to the usability of the LMS, the complexity of the user interface, made navigation and information management difficult and not user-friendly. And the current LMS also didn't fully meet users' learning needs, with suboptimal features hindering learning effectiveness. To address these issues, we aim to improve, redesign, and enhance the LMS website. We use the 8 golden rules principle to increase interface consistency, develop features more aligned with learning needs, and add more informative feedback to help user navigate and use the LMS more effectively. And then after that, after we implementing the new LMS website design, we use the system usability scale or SUS method to assess user satisfaction regarding the new LMS website design by asking several questions with a Likert scale assessment. And SUS score, or the result of SUS method, showed that significant improvement, indicating that the redesign was successfully improving LMS usability and user satisfaction. And then here, as you can see, there is 2 pictures on the screen. This is the before and the after result of the website design display. This is the before, and the other one is the new website design. And in here is SUS evaluation result. In here we asked 5 students from Bursal University. There is 10 questions. We asked them with Likert scale, and we got 60 final score here. And you can see here also there is SUS score parameter. There is a number 0 until 100, and we have 16 here. It means our new design of LMS Bursa Ulda University is good. Yeah. Now we are continue to conclusion. The conclusion in this study, we evaluate and redesign the Bursa Ulda University LMS website using the 8 golden rules, principles, and the user-centered design approach. Our research found that the current LMS has several issues that need improved, such as a complex user interface, not meeting learning needs, and lack of informative feedback. And by applying the 8 golden rules and UCD, or user-centered design, we aim to improve the usability and effectiveness of the LMS, creating a more interactive and informative learning environment for students at Bursa Ulda University. The students show that these approaches can significantly improve the user experience and the effectiveness of the LMS. And our findings suggest that making the user interface more consistent and developing features that better meet learning needs and providing more informative feedback can increase user satisfaction and LMS effectiveness. Therefore, this study aims to contribute to the development of a better LMS and improve the quality of education at Bursa Ulda University. Maybe that's all for us. Sorry if there are any wrong words or words that are not pleasing for you. Thank you. Thank you for your time, your attention. Good evening, everyone.